Yes, the thing firm. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man, good morning. Good morning, little people. As what me say, it's really nice. Always nice, you know, see it. Nice to be alive. Be alive, you know? A long life we are dealing with, brother. That's why I know keep the corruption. You know? You must put on a dark glass. Why am I tell you, brother? So me I telling about people. Yeah, man. See bench them here. Two of them for me now. I say this one of me always used to depend, you know. Them work, yeah, man. I find about the one over there. So I say I give two of them strength. Because as someone, as a sometime, you know, man. Big up yourself, Mr. Jobson. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Mr. Jobson. I hope some coaches not here out, you know, because some of the times them, the joggers, some of the joggers they want me to have. Coaches them always bust out more time, you know, but you know, say, yeah, man, fully addy. Fully addy. Only boot now addy still. That's what I tell people, say, boy, yes, I'm a yard away from, yes, I'm a home away from home. And from my 5 year old, I come and say, no, brother. From my 5 year old, in a seat, I can't high call. From me move from George Street with a little boy and come live on Duke Street. In a seat. You know what years we live at Duke Street, on the same Duke Street there. Yeah, I'm about 5 year old. Yeah, man, yeah, so me spend most of my time in June, summertime. And the summertime we come to the beach, we be with the beach. You see how we then, in September, if we go back to school, you see, you tell us, man, you see, man, here turn red. Man, here, you see, we here change colour. Because when you live at the beach in a salt water, man, you change the colour of your hair, man. You don't pick up me a boy, man. The hair turn red, brother. So I'm glad to be around the beach when I look at youth. Because the good book say, I and I have dominion over the land and the sea water, they are good thing. Yeah, man. The sea water tough in your body and in the sea. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, make your body more firmer and have less wrinkle. The body no wrinkle so easy, you know. Because Mother Nature can tell you them things. Yeah, man. As what I say, me there, some want to live, brother. Talk all the while, say Jamaica the garden of Eden. Jamaica paradise. In a seat. And Jamaica is a Christian country. Because I give thanks to Christianity, you know, because a Christianity bring in a seat. Bring the message to Jamaica, you know, brother. Yeah, man. When you come on to Christianity, you have to know when you flex. Because no pastor man can't control me, you know, and dictate to me, you know, brother. Yeah, man, because I am my own pastor, you know. I don't dictate to nobody, you know. Everybody choose the life when they want to live. But for you stand firm in Jesus, I know about Jesus, nobody can trick you. Yeah, man. That's why the bold devil. That's why the bold devil people in my worship. And you can't talk nothing about the bold devil. Boy, it's me Kirky Paraja. I'm telling you good morning. Good morning again, YouTubers. And big up yourself, Soko. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Soko. Yeah, man. And big up yourself, Para. And big up yourself, others. Our Soko pass off. Para still alive, the classmate. And never general. I'm working for a compound. The man is, the birthday you tell me, say, boy, you know, left off of my thing. If it didn't watch it, everything we post up, yeah man, the virgins ain't watch it. Yeah man. That's the virgin they want to know. Because to be talk about some fish about the place. The virgin link me early this morning, I was about 3-4 o'clock the man link me, you know. And say, boy, Joe Grind, you want to know the fish them, you know. Because the man say, you just want to know what the fish them is. You know, see it? Boy, I'm going to tell you, brother. I'm alone upon the beach, you know, still, you know. I'm alone and God, you know. Nobody not there. And you see it. And the 2 fish them not down here. And I say, I don't call nobody name, you know, brother. You know, see it. I just leave people alone. But all, you know, see, but all of me, I say Jamaica is a Christian country. You know, see it. Yeah, man, I love Jesus. I love Jesus so much. Because any man born fire upon Saddam and Gomorrah. Yeah, man, me wait there, the man, the brother. Yeah, man. I love Jesus, brother. Boy, I tell you. I don't want my content too long now, but man, I can't chat for less than 20 minutes. You say, if me have 5 articles, man, I watch me think that alright for me. Or 7 articles, man. But that's 7,000 hypocrites. I don't find a hypocrite, you know. Yeah, man. I'm afraid of hypocrite, brother. Yeah, man. Yes. As I say, man. Yeah, man, Jamaica dirty in such a way. And enough things are going on in Jamaica, brother. Enough things are going on in Jamaica. People in their closet just come out of their closet now and I do them thing open. And you see it. That's what I say. It's all the Prime Minister, all the Prime Ministers of Jamaica was turned up for their moral principle. We big them up. That's why I non-stop big up Bruce Golding. When Bruce Golding say no want no fish in the cabinet, no fish in the cabinet. You know, see it. And I say if you have big up Trump now, when Trump a lick out, when Trump say male and female and female, that's the thing to say. And I respect Trump for that. So when we leaders them stand for certain things, they will big them up higher. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Kirky planting porridge. And I get some molasses from Kirky. Yeah, man. So I have to throw me molasses. Boy, I tell you, say, yeah, man, throw me molasses. Yeah, man. And my porridge. Every morning I drink a Kirky porridge, you know. Because don't the man a soldier, you know. Yeah, man, I say everything set. You know, see. Man not be soldier forever, you hear me? Because man believe in a marriage and all them sitting and have all your wife and all them sitting, but you know. But if anytime a man gets married, there's one woman to my thing, but I'm not come like some man. I'm married and I get him one pay bond, I know them thing there. One woman to my thing. So I'm just going to live my life how I want to live now. But as what I say, I don't talk too long, you know. But as I say, this is why I fix up the thing them. Because Mr. Jobson, about 10 of them things on the beach, you know, and more, you know. The man fix the thing them. Because one thing, you know, if some people can go back from the content, they might hear me interview the father Jackson. I'm out to my son, Jobson. The father Jobson. I'm out to me talk to the son. Yeah, man. Because the son Jobson, when tell me say, boy, the reason why they want them place, because the man in place and for them place, you know. The man say the reason why they want them place, because they don't want the place to sell out. They don't want it to sell out to some Indian people and some people might build a hotel. Because if you sell out to certain people, I can't get if you come back, I can't get for use all the can't get for use all the beach. So they go lock it off for us. I thought the Japanese say boy they want to try to prevent. Yes. They want to put in a one nature park and all them so people can come and see me. We local people can utilize the beach same way. You see? That's them build all them little thing and put over the place. So I have a problem with it. Because I talk living truth. I don't want us to develop in a hotel industry. I can't talk place. I don't want Falmouth half from the beach. I don't want a hotel bill or so. I don't want no hotel or so. Better than give one called nature park and people can come and see me. So because you can't the chop down everywhere and build up your concrete jungle. Yes, it's a sanctuary for the wildlife and all them sitting, for the birds and all them sitting there. Yeah man. Yes. There'll be swamp same you know. But no crocodile no two in the swamp here you know. Yes, I just mother nature. I don't want to develop. So I can kick back every morning I want to come up. And 5 years I want to come up. So I can kick back and relax. Certain the country and them freedom and brother. Yeah. Because development is nice, you know. Development is nice. But in every way you can, you have to tear down. You understand me? Because we all go to school and we study about our photosynthesis and them sitting there. So because human and the trees them correspond same way. Yes, I am. So what I say, I just am my base, I just say I go stay and burn me fire with them ready to burn me fire. Because I like the plan of place, I like the place so quiet. See him like when Jesus I tried to Jesus always go one side, go young man go all a med with him father. I always do that on his own and hold him med and reason with you see, come out here. Because something you talk to yourself, you know. And I'm mad, you know, but something you nobody to talk to, you know. You can chat to yourself, you know. Because you trust yourself and something you can run away and reason with God. It's like when I pray, see him. Yeah, man. So, as I say, yeah, man. So, I big up with the jobs in them when I go on with. You know, see it. Because I don't stop coming so. I don't want you to develop. I don't want a hotel bill so. I don't want a hotel so. I don't want no hotel bill so. And so I want the place to stay. And we can keep it clean and keep it clean. Because anytime I have the cleaning thing, I'm willing to take up a week and clean the beach same way. That me I say. As I say now, they got 13 minutes. I don't want to touch on the politics thing still, you know, but sometimes how I go on in your country, you have to talk certain things. Come out to tell live with John last night and say, boy, and see we're in the PMP. What have you tell you? And see the two local government by election. What about PMP and GLP contest? And PMP we need two of them. PMP we need two of them. And I can't believe say in the by-election the Nigel Clark seat. 6% voters turnout. 6% voters turnout. You see the voters turnout was low yesterday. In a diary part, almost at 20% voters turnout. Nobody now come vote for the levels. Because all them by-election are waste of money and all them sitting there. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, you see there? Me talk and I think and the porridge. I lose my mate for a couple of seconds in the bed. Me tell you better. You must say when you talk, your mate just gone white, you know it's a boy. You know it's in by-election. And what is the money I go on with? Yeah man, you understand me? Yeah. The man need for us stopping foolishness. You know, see, and just call a general election. And make the country can move forward and because I want time I want to touch for me before I close off. It's a reason I rate Marky G. I rate Marky G, no better. Because Marky G stand up for principle and integrity. I hope so when time Marky G coming off his still, Marky G can be like those and stand up against the fish people. But one thing we about Marky G. One thing we about Marky G. Because Marky G kind of flex like how Michael Manley flex. Yeah man, Marky G flex like how Michael Manley flex. For the people and for the poor people. And I can't believe in it, brother. That's why I see the bold devil have a mentality to win at all costs, no matter what the member them do. As long as them can secure this, they can secure them seat at the devil, at that bold devil in far. Because him bring back that one for them. And Warrmington now. I pay a bag of chat me a Warrmington a chat for me on social media. The same Warrmington one, you know, see what about there with the fire. I mean tell people say Warrmington go come back, you know. Look how Marky G take a stand and say now make because Meadows make a speech and Meadows fought still. Because John me feel if he Meadows in such a way. Because Meadows are the good. But Meadows make a speech but when she shouldn't make and Marky G discipline Meadows in such a way. And get the next man to win another in Caan. I'm a kid. It's a week of Martin see because the man get a stand and stand by one. The same time Meadows are making speech, at the same time Warrmington we're making when certain things. You know, see it. A Marky G Lego when kind of demote Meadows. Yeah man. And when Marky G make the move there, Andrew only fire Warrmington. You know, see it. And see it now. And Warrmington have a big speech now. You can't like I'm a Prime Minister of Jamaica right now because Peter talk him a talk. And Warrmington talk a bag of crap. Talk about Marky G, a white man and this and that, and where Marky G come from and all. I pay crap Warrmington a chat about. Come on, to know the white people are good people. You have good white people and you have good black people. You know, see it. And no matter where a person come from, as long as you drop a Jamaica and love Jamaica, you know, see it. I'm a do good in Jamaica. And the greatest thing, Marky G born, a Jamaica Marky G born. Marky G, I that kill, come tell you something. I that kill the other party, you know. You don't want to go into politics, you know, but you see this song while PMP leg out, they're in the 70s, man leader born. The wickedest, I say wicked man, the best political song that ever penciled in a brother. My leader Barnia. You know see, I and I Barnia. You understand me? Yes. Enough people come from all nations come born in Jamaica. Enough Chinese people born here, enough Indian people born here. Enough Chinese Indian people got the preschool them. And got the infant school them same in Jamaica. If you want to come to Jamaica, you're born in Jamaica, is a Jamaican. If you want to run to Prime Ministership and so forth, you're free to do what you want to do. This racist thing what they want to try to bring in now. Them things are done with. People wise up now. Because we all know say the leaders them Michael Manley, Buster Manley, Norman Manley, Siaga, Wally Manley a white man. Michael Manley is a white man. Michael Manley is a black. When I say Michael Manley is a white man, all the man them Buster Manley, Siaga, Wally Manley have light complexion. So back in the days, yeah man, the whole of the one up and down behind Siaga. And Siaga was a complexion man. But that's what Siaga never born still, you know. And that's why the pain beat. The more about the song about Barnia. Barnia, because Michael Manley Barnia, Siaga never did Barnia. And that the man him using him time there. But Marky G Barnia, all him father a British man, but the man Barnia, the man is a born Jamaican. If you want a British passport, but the man is a born Jamaican, the man Barnia. You know, see it. All of them foreigners who come from different countries, different nations and born in Jamaica, them as a Jamaican. So sometimes when you pan because of Warrmington is supposed to this political thing will come talk about. Yes. Warrmington will resign. But you don't have no integrity, you don't have no morality, you don't have no integrity about you know. It is a win of all cost thing. It's a devil here. One show say he's the best prime minister Jamaica ever see, but that can, no matter what you want to do, no matter what road you build, no matter what you want to do, how you do to poor people from 2020 to 2022. And the devil and Warrmington and the world, if you know, say there's more poor people, they are Jamaica than rich people. And Jamaica is a Christian country. And every true Christian who believe in the Son of God and see how the devil deal with the people in from 2020 to 2022. Who's a true Christian and who know about Jesus and the Bible can never support the boy devil. Can never support boy devil. No true Christian can never support the boy devil. Who want put people through in a seat. Yes, from 2020 to about 2022. What poor people go through, and that should never be a 9-day wonder. Because that is a, I don't want to call everybody the name, because I don't want next man, because I don't want to call the name, because I don't want him to call up my name. As I said, my name, I don't want to call up anybody. But if, I mean, that's what the bird in the space, sometimes people just avoid him. But me want stalwart labor right to contract about anything you need to do is a 9-day wonder. People will talk to you for 9 days and they think good again. But what is a man do in a 2020 to 2022? That's why I have to defend. You know, see it. When someone tell people say, a God make a thing there, and people go take the thing there, and people take the thing there. That's why I talk about anybody. No matter what you want to do, because I stay upon Falmouth and from be a beach. All the jobs them call it the jobs in Ego Park. But during what go on at 2020, I sit down on the beach and shed tears. I shed tears on the beach of him. I can't believe the boy. I can't do no work, I can't make no money. Some things a man go through. Yeah man. Then tell me I have some sister in down here. Big up the Gallimores, sister them. Yeah man. Chrissy, Chin, Philly. 1 and 2 times both they come down here. And big up Brim. Yeah man. I now forgot in time there. Big up Mr. Emmy, Mr. Emmy pass off and gone still. But me and Mr. Emmy down here all the while. You know what? Because you see me better, I want to live in I want uplift country. Them with the moral standard stand up. You know, see it. And people can live happy. In peace and love and less crime and all them sit there. I say I love Falmouth because Falmouth kind of the crime rate of Falmouth kind of cut down. Big up to and big up to the peace officers again. Big up to the police force them. Yeah man, and big up to all the youngsters them who are joining the police force, because you have the police force big man levels. Because right, I see all couple morning when I come beach. And one of my friends from States. Yeah man, big red. One girl named Big Red. I'm born in front of my States there. You see it? And yeah man. I see me see a jagger morning time. Yeah, with the police. Every morning, I go most morning time the police are exercising. Yeah, man, I see her. This is a shout out to me. I'm surprised to see her. Yeah, man, she's a part of the police force. Nice bundle. A nice bundle from the States. I believe it's a 1 year she enter the States too, you know. Yeah, man, big weight. Yeah, man, big weight in the force now. I respect that. And one next girl, we can't remember what she name. Yeah, man, from States too. Yeah, man, one dark, one thick as dark complexion. That airy. I have a friend, yeah man, yeah man, the thick as there. She in the police force too from States. So enough young people join the force. Yeah man. Right now, yeah man, I love that. They're the police force, you know. But every man, but if every man is still like me, you wouldn't need a police force. Yeah man. I'm a law abiding citizen. Yes, I am. As I say, this thing I go to half an hour. As I say, yeah man, you want me to say? People understand, say, this political thing, the people then get fed up. I know say, national arena go jam up tomorrow, you know, man. A conference, a labor right conference, you know. They go try to jam up, you know. Yeah, man, when I watch a crowd, the people them don't make up their mind already. As long as the People's National Party can stand united, you know, see. Yeah, man, they stand no chance. Yeah, man, just unite the People's National Party, because poor people fed up. Bounty killers say poor people fed up, you know. And poor people fed up, you know. You can diss poor people the most way, and poor people go up and down there, you know. You diss poor people, you know, diss poor people too much, brother. And during the thing, the time, everything they blame poor people for. They blame upon the corner shop people, and poor people this, poor people that. And prosecute the poor people, them. You know, lock down churches and they don't want to do all things they don't want to do. So that's not, it's a topic they want to talk about, you know. I talk about and get committee strike, I don't want to talk about it. But as I say, because I think, sometimes I'm afraid to post on certain things, because I get live stream funeral right now. You see, sometimes I don't want to post up things again, I don't want to talk about certain things again. Because I build my YouTube channel to say for a live stream. If you ever feel like a live stream tomorrow, you know, see it. You're going to roll your. Yes. As I say, this man stand for love. I love me deal with, no matter what. I don't say no man. For me make one statement, you know, man. Every man pan with brothers and sisters according to Adam and Eve's story. God now come to know Christians alone, and God come to good people. What to each and every nation. Just good white people. Say me pick up all the bleachers them. Who want go bleach in the state. Because tattoo look good pan white people. You have good white people. Or one thing you can't bleach your hand. For your skin can't take a cream, you just worry about the complexion and you know, see it and talk about your body and live a life you want to live. As long as your heart clean. Because for them not bleach, but they aren't dirty. I found the black people who are dirty. You know, see it? You have good white people, you have good black people. You know, see it? It's the color of the one skin, I can't pick up one heart. I love the white people, them. I love white people, and I love black people. All of you know say slavery and all them silly, but we know. But the time for earth now. You know, see, we don't know slavery again. You don't want a mental slavery. Because John, when we can't believe that Bob Marley father was a white man. Bob Marley father was a white man. Bob Marley mother was a black woman. It's a black woman and a white man, but it was Bob Marley. Yes, I am. You see, I mean, it was back in the days, it was a Bob Marley father. supposed to love Bob Marley, man. All should be young. All should be young, man. You know, say, yeah, man. The man say things say, word is love, you hear me? And start make people taking it for fool and approach politics. Like the one they're preaching racist thing right now. Because Warrmington should never the one again. The man. Because the devil fire Warrmington. But the devil don't have no integrity. The devil just believe in a win at all costs, no matter what. They want to go down as the greatest prime. Greatest prime minister what? Greatest prime minister what? Eh? I want to know people. I'm glad the people they wise up. Glad the people they wise up. I can't touch one top. One certain topic. I don't want to get on community strike again. I'm going to do my YouTube channel videos. You know, see it free really nearly for live stream 10 hours and so forth. At that make them on more than I started pay on YouTube. I mean, we know they pay. You see that? I don't know if beg no, I run on subscription, you know. Just go on, do my thing. I do my thing for the people in overseas. Mostly, my friends in overseas, because them into my thing. But sometimes power, sometimes what go on to Jamaica power, on the political thing, sometimes you make a speech, brother. But you have member of parliament that do things and you say that, and some 9-day wonder thing, and it just come back and again at the biggest chat. Because we leaders now stand up on their feet and set him out in order. Warrmington should never they run again. So why I'm going just like how Marty G discipline medals and medals stay discipline. So in the Marty G if you lose Northern Chilani, you know see the man just stand up for principle. And that's the mark of a good leader. That's the mark of a good leader, you know. At the same time medals making speech, at the same time Warrmington making speech. And medals now we run for candidate. Market Jeep discipline him and know him and you see it and demote him. And Market Jeep stand in principle. Both devil fire Warrmington. And Warrmington is the biggest chat right now. I spread pay racism. And racism Warrmington has spread, you know. Warrmington has spread racism in Jamaica right now, you know. And speak it against nations, you know. You chat about no man for no British man can rule him and all them see. You see it. And we want Jamaica. Eh? One of the Sierra Leoneans for king to the king. You don't take people for fool and that, you know. You don't take people for fool and that, you know. Eh? Warrmington, you need to do, you should be ashamed of yourself, brother. You need to ease out of politics. What one? When you have some people who run up and down behind, you know. You see, so we're not too touch on the topic on a certain levels, you know. But I'll be saying, you talk about issues in your country. When the Prime Minister them the good, you want to big them up. But when people them foolish, you have to speak out. Because you have freedom of speech. So also, as I say, big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Yeah, man. As I say, you go relax now. As I say, you can stay for the whole day and kick back. And my yard is my yard away from mine. You see, so I tell you, big up yourself with the Jobsons. A 2 bench there, and I'm going to lock them. You can't put a bag so. You must see big bead right there so. Some of the cookie, I left the power of the people. People will come drink the party. So I can relax for the whole day. Yeah man, because I'm independent. You see, I work for no one, nobody now boss me around. So I say, if 7 somebody watches, you may give thanks. Because I prefer have 7 people that tune in for my thing. more than 7,000 hypocrites. You know, see it. They come and do this thing for the liking, and do it for the love. As one love. Sometimes I can talk on and on. Because I'm glad they know about Jesus. I'm glad they know. The Bible is the greatest book you ever read. You read many books, but no book like the Bible, you know. You see. So I can't fool people, I can't fool them. Yeah, man. And bro devil can't fool God-fearing people. And bro devil can't fool real Christians who know about Jesus. Know about Son of God. Can I call him Jesus? As some get him by, as some get him from the Christianity. You know. And you have to Christianity because they bring it come so. Or one thing on pastor man can really indoctrinate me and control me. Yeah man, because I don't want a pastor. This is my one a pastor. According to Ellen G. White. Big up all the 7 years big up all who respect the Sabbath. Because if you respect the Sabbath, you have to respect the entire Bible. You have to defend the Sabbath. You know, show me Ellen G. White books that we have. I'm a Ghana 10 Armstrong and Herbert Armstrong book we have. When you hear me people, I want love, you hear me? Can you do some jogging and all them sitting and all go swimming and go me and go start out. I have much calendars now to start out. Them have the people them have the schools them. And big up to all of the parents them who are support the calendar thing. Big up to all the parents them. Yeah man, you get a nice support. I continue next week and plus the other week. Yeah man, so I have some more school children. So big up all the schools who support me so far. Yeah man, I want to keep me alive because I do things straight. You know, you see, you see. So I work money. But you see, back in the days, when I boy, I play white Jesus with on calendar. You see it, and on white Mary and white baby Jesus when I see me. Yeah man. But no, you can put yourself on calendar. Yeah man. So that me I say. So big up all white people, big up all black people. Yeah, all God people. Yes. That's all me I say. Yeah man, the road is love. The road is higher. Yeah, the road is love. Yes, Michael Manley Pitney, yeah man, fully addy. Yes, I am.